Hello and welcome to our video, where we will be comparing two popular car shampoos in the market: Adam's Car Shampoo versus Chemical Guys. Keeping your car clean is essential for its longevity and overall appearance. With so many car shampoo options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this video, we will be looking at the similarities and differences between Adam's Car Shampoo and Chemical Guys to help you make an informed decision. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Adam's Car Shampoo. Let's begin with Adam's Car Shampoo. This car shampoo is known for its high-quality cleaning properties and is safe to use on all surfaces. It is pH neutral, meaning it won't harm your car's wax or sealant. One of the unique features of Adam's Car Shampoo is its ability to create a thick foam that clings to your car's surface, lifting dirt and grime away from the paintwork. This reduces the risk of scratching your car's surface during the washing process. The foam is also excellent at lubricating the surface, which minimizes friction between the wash mitt and the car surface. Another advantage of Adam's Car Shampoo is that it has a pleasant scent, which leaves your car smelling fresh and clean after the wash. It is also biodegradable, which makes it an eco-friendly option. Chemical Guys. Now, let's take a look at Chemical Guys. This car shampoo is known for its excellent cleaning abilities and is designed to remove even the toughest dirt and grime. It is also pH balanced, which makes it safe to use on all surfaces. Chemical Guys use a unique blend of natural ingredients and advanced cleaning agents to break down and remove dirt from your car's surface. The shampoo creates a thick lather that penetrates deep into the surface, removing dirt, grime, and other contaminants that can cause damage to your car's paintwork. Another unique feature of Chemical Guys is its versatility. It is suitable for use with a foam cannon or a traditional bucket and wash mitt. This means that you can use it in different ways, depending on your washing preferences. Comparing Adam's Car Shampoo and Chemical Guys. In addition to the similarities and differences we've discussed, there are a few other aspects to consider when comparing Adam's Car Shampoo and Chemical Guys. Foaming ability. Adam's Car Shampoo creates a thick foam that clings to the surface, while Chemical Guys creates a rich lather that penetrates deep into the surface. If you prefer a thick foam that stays on the surface longer, then Adam's Car Shampoo is a better option. But if you prefer a rich lather that can easily be spread across the surface, then Chemical Guys is a better choice. Cleaning power. Both car shampoos are effective at cleaning, but Chemical Guys is designed to remove even the toughest dirt and grime, making it ideal for heavily soiled vehicles. Adam's Car Shampoo is still a powerful cleaner, but it may require multiple washes to remove stubborn dirt and grime. Price. Price is always a consideration when choosing a product. Adam's Car Shampoo is generally more affordable than Chemical Guys. However, Chemical Guys is available in larger sizes, which can be more cost-effective if you wash your car frequently. Ease of use. Both car shampoos are easy to use, but Chemical Guys may require more rinsing than Adam's Car Shampoo due to its thicker lather. Adam's Car Shampoo, on the other hand, creates a foam that easily rinses off, making the washing process quicker. Both Adam's Car Shampoo and Chemical Guys are excellent car shampoos that offer high-quality cleaning abilities. Choosing between the two will depend on your personal preferences and needs. If you are looking for a car shampoo that creates a thick foam that clings to your car's surface, reducing the risk of scratching, then Adam's Car Shampoo is a good option. If you want a car shampoo that is versatile and designed to remove even the toughest dirt and grime, then Chemical Guys is an excellent choice. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.